Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. So, the touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, we have it. Now let me play some song. First I will show you a default gesture and then how to customize them. Okay. If you press one time at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. I press one time, and as you can see at this widget, I just increase it. To lower the volume, you need to press one time at your left earbud. So I press one time again, and again you can see at this widget that I lower it. Next we have double press, and by default, on the double press, on the left and right earbud, you have plain pause the song. 1, 2. I just pause it. 1, 2. Did I make third press? 1, 2. Okay, let's try again. Sometimes it happened. Pause and play. Next, we have press and hold. If you press and hold at your right earbud, you will play next track. If you press and hold at your left earbud, you will play previous track. Here we go. Also, we have triple press. By default, with a triple press, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you set up, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. So let's check it. 1, 2, 3. It works. With the left one. 1, 2, 3. It also works. Now, how to customize gestures? To customize them, you need to go to the application Smart Connect. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap at your earbuds. Go to custom controls, and now we have right here single press, press and hold, single press, double press, and triple press. So just right here we have also left and right earbud. Just tap at the best one for you and select some feature here, or the best one for you. If you don't like what you made, you can click reset, and you will click confirm, and you will return to the default settings. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!